To perform security scan on Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to find an app called Security, which should be pre-installed on your device. Usually it should be in the System Apps folder. So here we have it. We can open this app, and then there's the security scan right here. You'll be able to click on it, and then it will instantly check for any security issues. As you can see right here, it did find one risk. So here we can use one of the options right here to fix it. So we have clear trash faster. You can add home screen shortcut, which will allow you to quickly clean up trash on your phone. You can use a cleaner, which will clean again trash on your phone. It doesn't matter for security. Only thing actually here for that would compromise security is system update. So here you'll be able to update a system if you have this error. Of course, you may see different options depending on what this app found on your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.